So my first memory of Sushmita Sen is from the Miss Universe beauty pageant that took place in '94. I watched it much later, but I remember being all wide-eyed about it as she was looking so stunning. She's definitely one of my favorites and I'm super excited to look like her today. For the most iconic look of Sushmita Sen from the movie Main Hoon Na. I mean, who can forget those beautiful chiffon sarees and the sleeveless blouse? I think it was an absolute trendsetter. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let us know in the comment section below what would you want to see next in this series. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.